People are making thousands of dollars while you are still sleeping on your couch and scrolling. Take a look at this channel. See You in History. This creator has gained 400,000 views and earned around $4,000 in the past month alone just by using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn that as well without juggling 4 to 5 different tools. Instead, you can use a single tool that helps you earn thousands of dollars. You can also see examples like this. Jesus Comeback, which is a fully AI generated channel getting millions of views on shorts. Another one is Bible in a Nutshell, which received around 200,000 views and earned between $1,000 and $2,000. It's all done with AI. It isn't rocket science. Everything is generated with AI. You can look into these different channels, but the Bible niche and other history niches have become quite cluttered. For instance, with 3D content, everyone is making similar videos. First, look into this video which I generated in just 2 minutes using a tool called focalml.
Born of a god, cursed by a goddess, 12 impossible labors. This is where the legend begins. His first trial, the Valley of Nemea. A monstrous lion whose golden fur no weapon can pierce. Hercules draws his bow. Arrows shatter on impact. His sword bends against the beast.
However, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create hundreds of different niches with hundreds of unique topic ideas. I will also show you how to create them properly using focalml. This is the one unified agent which will help us make the video without the need to juggle 4 to 5 different platforms. So, let's get started. First, you need to go to any chatbot you use, such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok, and paste this prompt. For this example, I'm going to ask the chatbot to give me 10 topic ideas for ancient Greek mythology, focusing on 10 epic stories. Don't worry, all the prompts and important links are in the description below, okay? Now, you can also choose ancient Egyptian, ancient Chinese, or ancient Mayan civilizations, and it will provide those for you. You can even do it in different languages like Japanese, Spanish, or Chinese, giving you hundreds of ideas and niches to work with. We will use a 3D animated Pixar-style, as that is currently trending, as we have seen with the Bible niche and others. It has now given us 10 ideas or stories that we can turn into videos. Now, go to focalml. It is an AI agent that includes image generation, video generation, voiceovers, and more, all within a single platform. After arriving on the platform, sign in with your Google account. Then, copy the whole prompt or just the title. Copy the text. You will receive credits, so don't worry about generating ideas. After logging in, you will see an interface that looks like this. On the left-hand side, you have all the controls. Your project, starred items, channels, templates, and more. To tweak the image, you have access to different models like GPT Image 1.5, Nano Banana, Nano Banana 2, and Seedream 4.5. For videos, you can use models like Veo, Kling, Seedance, and others. As you can see here, you can simply paste a prompt or generate a story using a JSON prompt or a script if you already have one. The timing is automated and the tool will ask for details later. Select your preferred model and video engine. Select your desired language, such as English. You can also choose Chinese, Spanish, or others and send it to focalml. The agent is now running. The agent will process the request, generate all the images and videos, combine them, and apply the voiceover. You do not have to touch anything. The process is entirely automated. This is a video agent, unlike other platforms that only provide image generation, requiring you to manually create prompts, images, and videos separately. Usually, you would have to stitch them together yourself to create a unified video. However, the agent is now working as I mentioned, and it will soon ask for the duration. You can select a custom duration or choose between 60 and 90 seconds. For this video, I am choosing 60 seconds. It also asks if you want narration or characters. I'm going with narration. The agent is now thinking. It will create the script, the image prompts, and the video prompts automatically. You don't need to do a thing. Now, it is asking for the aspect ratio, duration, audio style, and captions. Let's select an aspect ratio of 16:9. Set the duration to 1 minute and select narration. For the captions, you can choose any of the available styles. Then, for the style prompt, you can choose from the list or input your own. In this case, we're using 3D Pixar-style animation for these trending looks. The agent has now created our script. Let the agent run, and at the bottom, it will ask to begin generating. It also provides a credit breakdown of the cost. Select the Yes, Start Generating button. If you want to make changes, you can ask the agent to do so. You also have options for media uploads, file uploads, or custom character uploads. It also gives you options to select the model's intelligence and other modes, such as review mode. Simply click Yes, Start Generating. The agent will now start generating the visuals and will open the editor within the website. Our agent is running and the editor has opened. Let the agent create all the images and then convert them into videos. It will start by creating the image prompts based on the script. Then, it will create videos from those images and generate audio from the script it created earlier. Finally, it will add sound effects. Please be patient as this takes about 5 to 10 minutes. This will save you the cost of using 4 to 5 different platforms for image generation, video generation, voiceovers, and editing. Normally, you would use Nano Banana or ChatGPT for images, Kling or Veo for videos, ElevenLabs for voice, and CapCut or Premiere Pro for editing. All of these costs are saved using focalml. You don't need to worry about juggling multiple platforms. It is a single, unified agent that you can trust. It is currently generating, so please wait until the full video is finished. It will align itself on the timeline automatically. Once aligned, we will review it and ask the agent for any further changes. Now that it has generated our video, let's review it. Everything looks fine here, but if you want to make changes, simply use the chat command to ask the agent to add a different transition between images or change the visuals of scene 1. It will handle that for you. In the All Media section, you can find all your generated videos, images, and sound effects, which you can download separately or review. In the Voice section, you can access the narrated audio. In the Video section, you can select different video models. Under Characters, you can upload your own custom characters if you have them. In the Stock section, you can find royalty-free custom images from pexels.com as well as videos and music. I apologize for my internet speed. It is a bit slow, so things are taking a moment to load. You can also find videos and music to add to your project to give it a more natural look, especially if you aren't using the anime or 3D styles. In the Transition section, you can apply various transitions to your video. Simply drag and drop the transitions you like, such as black fade, slide left, or simple zoom. The morph transition is also quite good, so I'll place it here. That is how you use different transitions to make your video look seamless, rather than like a collection of random chunks. In the Effects section, you can add fade-ins, fade-outs, or back zooms. In the Text section, you can add custom text by clicking Edit. For example, I'm adding the word Hercules here. You can change the font and font size as needed. If you don't like the result, you can use a preset or simply delete the text layer. In the Caption section, you can choose from various fonts like Arial Black or Impact. You can see the font changing in real time. You can also choose between single line or double line captions and adjust the pixel size and color using the buttons on the screen. Alternatively, you can use the presets listed below. In Settings, you can adjust the aspect ratio. 16:9 is best for long-form content, while 9:16 is best for shorts. There are also options for 3:2, 2:3, and 1:1 for Instagram. We will stick with 16:9 and our selected Pixar 3D style. For the images, we used GPT Image 1.5, but you can also use Nano Banana 2 or Seedream. For video generation, models like Veo, Kling, Hilo, and Seedance 1.5 Pro are among the best. For the voice, you can choose ElevenLabs or ElevenLabs Turbo. You can also change the language and add subtitles later. In the editorial section, you can customize the X and Y offsets to position your content on the screen. If you make a mistake, you can use the undo buttons below. You can also adjust the speed of the visuals and view the project in full screen. To export the video, click the export button. I think these captions could be better, so I will disable them for now. Now, we are ready to export. Double check the video, click export, give it a name, and select MP4 format. Set the quality to high and the resolution to 1080p. Click export. It will take about 5 minutes to process, depending on your internet speed. Once finished, it will be saved directly to your disk. Give it a proper name, such as Hercules Labor Part 1. Save the file, and that's it. You have created a high-quality 3D Pixar-style animated video. You can now post it on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. All the relevant links are in the description. Check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and have a great day.